Miss Mafia Mopa
Ayala ba.
Me koye kakra.
Yeah.
No man getting me.
Sure.
A cabra bono. Yakoya Aba.
Okay.
We are back. Many I just said my better Champions League so.
Sure.
And you from time no copa nti you so I think that and the games are more straightforward. There are 1-2 be I was say Yaman Kofa appreciate it and then we will be done. I decided to bring this picture of Ousmane Dembele or Kesse the Champions League trophy, when they won it against Inter Milan. Now, my question and say, player buying at this season Champions League, Obeko all the way to kiss it again. All kissing in narration moon say, on say trophy now not just to win the trophy, but to also win the Ballon d'Or, any the individual awards. So this is a very, very iconic picture. So we'll do fine and now, dear. Now, okay, see, I didn't say ya. The whole team say you are kissing it because this trophy is helping you to also win your individual awards. Match day 2 started. And the early kickoffs, 2 games. First one, they are Carats and the team from Real Madrid. Now, Oko Real Madrid for page 1. Almost see, almost premier, almost soccer city ho. Rich.
One for football.
This is the headquarters of Real Madrid. Rich.
And the NFO.
Pitch is very ultimate. Like I saw, opposite as an our kind. Real Madrid father koja chini. Rich. Real Madrid's problem in here. And they say on the 20th of October, on the premiere a video of the place. Now, Oshana Obusa was saying, yeah, no one could find a boy. I'm coming too much. Rich, from any game, Nidia, I think say Utie Federico Valverde, now Utie Xabi Alonso. I had just an opportunity to respond to Madrid derby. They are very, very disappointed. And said Madrid, I was so mood anymore. Cat what about the wrong time? They will beat you. Especially when you don't have the character to upset team this Real Madrid. No matter the changes Alonso by your team, they will win. I take Real Madrid say on Mesha California Brown. Now Atlanta, any club Brugge game a tricky kakra. Oh yes. Rich. Say Enkaye Young Piero Gasparini in a Anka Abia, you respect him and say Atlanta able of or more edgy. But Rich, say no more. Unless you don't watch the Belgium League, and I'll be underrated team for the club Brugge. They are very good side. Very, very good side. And go for you careful of your meeting. Yes, Atlanta and Lucy the spark of playing attacking football. And Brugge for the Bible also playing very, very good football. Rich, this weekend, Yenya Kamadin Suleiman Shego. And it's our lineup here. He is in the squad. Or the baby Zapakota as a left wing back, or the Nenimupe. He is working his way out to come back with Musa, a movie from AC Milan on the room, and an elbow a won very, very formidable. Anytime you are watching Brugge, you want to watch Van Aken. They show me 20 years, very, very good player. There is the 2 teams that ever share. Unfortunately, I don't see Umro. The ultra and they say, "Oh, that was okay." It is on it. Rich, I think this should be an over 1.5 game. Atlanta Brugge. It should give us an over 1.5 game. I will not stake my neck out and say they will win because I have seen Club Brugge go to centers and show them say hey there you don't watch the Belgium league and
last season class I'm sure.
yes they are very good side Rich. They are very good side, very good side. I watch them our ESPN Belgium league and whenever you watch their games they are very good side. So an over 1.5 game in Atlanta Brugge Wanda Metropolitano which there is a warning to this game. They shouldn't give football fans anticlimax.
Okay. What's your remedy David?
Nti obian say especially starting now Atletico Madrid and yet they bought players. Obia say they are going to challenge for the trophies. Yes, that is season on Tunisia. Or struggles then the first big game against Real Madrid or said 5-2. Now I'm going to say hey team I hear na say nye which impempi you know say o team kese na also what they revive it season the next game always tricky always very tricky yes let's go for no omo hye and omo for anti-climax amba na Rich Uji Atletico dey at your own peril. Especially the Frankfurt for the day Galatasaray in matchday 1 no. Cause first go to no match 5-1. Enti say enya against Karate be I can say oh they will pick momentum with them. Be very careful about that game no. But say Frankfurt me share 5 against Galatasaray there. Now they are going to the home of Julian Alvarez. Person picking on form our Champions League there. Rich then me assure say when you go to the betting sites they don't really give low odds on goals when it involves Atletico Madrid, so go for that and over 1.5 b over 2.5 b because Frankfurt for Nebano they are a German team. They are going to open up to play against a team that want to pick momentum in Atletico or more Julian Alvarez soul of money Griezmann more now say Real Madrid they are so excited and they want to play their next game and score goals. And see Atletico Madrid against Frankfurt for no me I will not place my bet on so be say but I will go for goals I was that game Chelsea Benfica Rich game na is because of one man. And this is the official match day graphic of Benfica for no. Look at what they are doing. Omodi Otamendi at graphic so in a suit and a wire call. As it's a he call England. Then at the background, Enzo Maresca with Pedro Neto, who is a Portuguese. And I'm also always and say Charlie. Now Portugal for no omuyo saying. Then Rich on the left hand side, Jose Mourinho Okuta magnifier glass and ocean and only when he shit me say I want to see what my plan. Then it's always graphic here. Rich Ushe Echina Kopama injured watching Neto and Maresca planning from the top. Because game no on Bobby. This is the match day graphic of Benfica and Chelsea. The details are there. Rich, it is all because one man is coming back.
Jose Mourinho,
box office manager. And that's already impressed now. England for the crowd were so happy to go and cover it because they know Jose will give them news. And when I was watching Sky Sports, Rich, almost all the front pages of the sports papers, just in it now because they know he sells the papers for them. Rich, just also you blue, but this time I was back as a red because of the Ejma. Now, to make the Jose situation, how this time around, photographers of a press conference of Chelsea decided not to capture Enzo Maresca from his front, but Rich from his side way to show the Jose Mourinho pictures. They also said, "Yashe Enzo Maresca press conferences Rich Obien will wait a picture from this side just to show Jose Mourinho on the wall." But a minute so for them to do that, I just hope Sir Enzo Maresca as Obia Onse experience bebre Jose Mourinho doesn't get into his head. Now Obey focus to do what is expected of him in the game. Now Rich, did you say quiet or no? Or you the press conference now OP no? Rich, omo ma ye dwuma Chelsea ache pa na atama no no ho as manager no omo ho ni nyina no he asked na we wo ho one of them Connolly Teresa mami we yes on no aduane e wo Chelsea ho and Joseph gave her a warm hug say you know what hacho makwa masaba you are still here. Now Rich, these things that Jose are doing no from afar, so a typical Chelsea here. Probably Jose is even telling us Maresca say, I cry in the future. Minimum hapa. Omo mo anu cry feeling me. Rich, I just hope it doesn't play on the pitch. I'm just hoping. So it doesn't play that on the pitch. Especially when Jose comes out of the tunnel and the Chelsea supporters gives him a round of applause. Oh, Jose Abba. And probably will not even do same for Enzo Maresca. Because now say 2 matches of Abba in our results in Koye. Rich, the Chelsea fans should be very, very conscious of that. Oman, we are the beginning of the game. They will end up giving almost support to Jose, forgetting on your position coach. Normal your team number. And once the Benfica team draws that from their fans, you know, and we are a KG starts, the next game no attitude, no air. There are problems with Chelsea because of injury. And see, this is the best 11 you can come out of. Omuanga Chelsea for no injury, but they are share indeed. And meaning say problem is this guy, which I want to order attention because
sure.
Say, but they are still on time more games, you know.
To a rusty kakra.
Or a rusty. And are you so confident as a defender? Especially when the ball is on the feet. One blocking or ordinary on you very good. Media near on one ball. On the left to me pass it, a cool beheaded, but on the pass you took from her. Now you're 1v1 in a situation where all 10 and who use intelligence. He always come out not so good. After Taloba record, no, there is a different competition there. But Rich, will he be playing with doubts in himself? So I let the team down the last time. And this time around, there are some few issues Maresca must solve. But Rich, look, this Benfica team in playing on from Infinity anymore, Rich, they shouldn't pose a threat to be out to Chelsea.
Okay.
And to say about engine room now, even though Kopama is not there, Rich, and they say Andres Santos, so no Maresca say or situation be until on our last training, you know. So on ba no Romeo Lava, no more Casado airborne with Enzo Fernandez, Ejo Manima. These 3 midfielders, Rich, must be able to boss the game for Tiba, your friend Chelsea, and control the engine room for Chelsea to create. And then I mean, like I said, me, the Chelsea team, baby, my word, they were those wing forwards, you know. And I said Garnacho probably will get his first starts with Pedro Neto, not João Pedro, LED the lines, and the amateur City Rich. The only problem is Chelsea defense, you know, especially the center half, you know, how they will deal with probably this. So much to me dealing with him in Quadia, then Chelsea should be very, very good. I don't see Chelsea losing this game. In all honesty, I don't see Chelsea said Omo able lose this game way. Look, one of my favorite teams last season, Bodo Glimt. They are playing the Champions League for the first time and Omo go home against Tottenham. 2 teams that love to attack. I am expecting Thomas Frank in the Manchester say they will go there and give a spectacular game. And see goals galore. Bodo Glimt against Tottenham Hotspur. A game minimum for me. Liverpool airport Turkey. Rich, Saudi we are Koswacho. You're from Rebu Mrana. Sir, your sister team here by a chrome. Na Omo Boa. We find out hotel on Beda. Rich, will make noise. Now already Liverpool anticipate say yes guys stadium or hell. And they are changing their minds to enter hell. Which that idea so hell. Supporters also own that.
Now Liverpool is animated now.
Which 2 a.m.
No more did.
Look at this video. 2 a.m. Firecrackers. Any day this are 2 a.m. But Rich, I'm finding a hand in Quap in case of my view.
Now Liverpool the
Look,
I'm for the day anyway.
Matisse and go focus the Atasara for team and crack. Koglu, Yildiz, Ike Gundogan, Osimhen, I fit or Babo, in Fifi, Romeo Lamela, and Lucas Torreira. Top. Abdul Karim, any Davidson says single. Look, they are good. But Rich, there are standards to this. They are never better than Liverpool. Never. No. Difficult game, fine. Now, look. Osimhen. Now, who are they know the ball? No? It's always looking for the ball in the air. You don't do that against Van Dijk and Konate. Yeah, defenders now. Yeah, they are more than a shower. They are strong. Rich, don't Liverpool air away there. But I think they will have it against Tima. Your friend Liverpool will not lose this game.
Okay.
So at least a double chance for Tima. Your friend Liverpool was how much in Marseille. I asked a double chance Marseille. I asked they don't look good cry this season. So a double chance over 1.5 for Tima, your friend Olympic Marseille, and then you know this stadium will be light by De Zerbi, and then in Manchester, and I think they have a very very good team. With we are money Aubameyang to do the job against this Ajax team. Me say them or more Bayern Air Cup Parfus. My say omo pay homage say David Luiz is a legend of the game. Marriage Bayern in the group stages. Omo for no man Diagro. They will go and beat Parfus. I'm also airborne mo debut in the Champions League. Then I'm expecting Inter to beat Team FN Silver Power. You say in the lineup no. Abante FN Marcus Thuram in the first 11 by a Bonnie and then the captain Lautaro Martinez ever strike. That is what all the Italian trusted sources Emma as a probable 11 with DiMarco down fries. Then in 50 on a chair trainer. Very very good team. I think say at the end of the game, Inter should be able to beat Sima, your friend Salaman Praha, or to reach. That is a wrap of all the games, Okay. Already, I think it's a mature course, yes. So these are the 4 courses for Ene. You can take a screenshot. So it's here already as well. Let me run you through it very, very quickly. First one, BW154 FE61C. Second one, BW15502B6B. The third one, BW15505B84. And the last one, BW15507A76. Into 4 betway codes. Oko me handle exa. Akosi _ Ayala na unsa ebeka uko Facebook Ayala Sports and abesmako usu bempa Ayala and so no course no egugu yemfa na yempeska in the very very straightforward games.
Okay.
Na yentimi MPB ND
na yes sir.